So slide the cover straight on. You'll hear the unit click and it's switched over into free swing mode, and then secure the cover on using the 4 thumb screws on the top and the bottom. So to latch it open into free swing mode, just open the door back. You should hear that click as the claw goes over the spring, and then let go of the door and it should stay in its position, and this is now in free swing, so all the closing force has been removed from that door. So the final thing to do is to put the alarm into fire. Make sure the transmitter is in a fire state, and then what you will see is there'll be a red light on the free door. It'll beep to warn you that the door is going to close, and the door will close. The unit will actually automatically reset after about 10 seconds, and then you'll be able to hold the door open again, providing the transmitter is no longer in fire. After it's reset, just fully open the door and it will latch back into free swing mode again.